This will be just a quick review of homework. So we're in Canvas, and again, let's say we're in section 18, and they all work the same way. And you go down here to My Lab and Mastering, click on that. And it's loading. And you could go through the orange bar, but you could also go Student Link, My Lab Math, All Assignments. Click on that. And then there they are. So the media, I'm not sure why it's there, but you're not going to do that until you've completed units 1, 2, and 3. And then this is like a little quick check of it. But most of you have completed now homework assignment 1-1. I'll click on that, and it shows that I've completed it as well. And you just click OK, get out of that, go back. 1.2, click on that, and I've done some of those. So I haven't completed it yet, but I'll be working on that today. Now, the key when you do something, of course, I think I mentioned this, is when you leave, be sure you save it. So we're asked to do this multiplication. Negative times negative is a positive 11. Plug that in there, and you can check your answer, and it tells you you have the correct answer next. Now, the key is if you're going to leave, be sure you save it, because now that one is saved. Now, any one that you have incorrect will have a red X by it, but you can always go back and repeat it, bring it into class if needed, to get help to get the correct answer. Now we're familiar with Panopto recordings, and I'm going to go up here, and on yours you can see it this way too, grades. And once that screen opens, and what I've done is I've blocked out the names that would appear here, and then it shows me who has done topic 1.1 and your current score, and 1.2 and so on. Now, anyone that hasn't done it, of course, you're going to be working on it this weekend so that by Tuesday, when I check it, hopefully everyone will have a 20 and a 20. Now, for those that have like a 17.5, you have a few that were incorrect. You can go back to that page, click on the ones with the red X, and redo them. And you can bring that up to 20, which would be 100%. Now, we're going to take this and move it over to the very end. And what you see now is the homework column filled in. This gives me a percentage of what your homework grade is. And remember, homework is 10% of your overall grade. And since that's all we have so far, it goes here. Now, later I'll be putting in quizzes, and then you'll have your test, which will appear here, and then the final exam. And it's usually summarized in these columns. But just to give you an idea of what the grading is like. Once again, I don't grade you. As you accumulate points here, you, in a sense, develop your own grade. And at any time during the term, just going over to the last, or I believe on your page it's at the bottom, it will give you a running score. And if you're not sure about something, of course, be sure to ask.